One of the sites we're going to use this year is youthvoices.live. And this is where we'll post some of our online, more public digital writing. I want to talk right now about how to simplify the interface. So when you publish a discussion, when you create a discussion, it'll make it a little bit more user-friendly. So if I go up here to log in, and I log in, my page will look something like this now. And if I go to create and I create a discussion post, you'll get a page that looks something like this. And you can see there are a lot of things that are on this page that are not necessary for right now. You can always turn these things back on, but for now we're going to turn them off. If I go up to my top right, 3 dots, more tools and options, and go all the way down to options down here, I can uncheck a lot of these things. So I do want a pre-publish check. That's where you're asked, like, do you really want to publish this now? But there are a lot of other things I don't need to save here. Don't need series. I do need a featured image because all posts have to be accompanied by an image. Don't need excerpt or discussion. I'm going to keep groups. Don't need a checklist. I'm going to keep authors. Right now we're not doing podcasts. And what I've just done is just simplified that user interface.